Oh no, no, no. Yeah, some lights never fade. Rain falls slow, but my soul still glow. Yeah, real ones know. Street lights blur through the fog outside. Late night thoughts on a midnight ride. City cold, but I still breathe fire. Broken dreams turned into desire. There's a light inside my soul, even when the nights feel cold. Through the scars and through the pain, I still shine inside the rain. In a light never die, even when the angels cry. Lost myself, then found my flame. Now the darkness know my name. Yeah. Mama said the world get colder with age, so I learned how to survive through the rage. Empty train rides, hoodie in the storm, trying to keep my heart and spirit warm. Used to feel invisible in crowds, now my silence louder than the clouds. Every scar left wisdom in my skin. Every loss taught me how to win. Pain made me stronger, nights made me wiser. Every storm I survived made the fire brighter. Yeah. Now I walk slow through the midnight haze, thinking about the man from my younger days. So much anger in my chest back then. Now I found peace inside the wind. Friends disappeared when the road got dark, but the pressure only built my heart. Every setback turned another page. Every heartbreak taught another way. There's a light inside my soul, even when the nights feel cold. Through the scars and through the pain, I still shine inside the rain. In the light never die, even when the angels cry. Lost myself, then found my flame. Now the darkness know my name. Yeah, some lights never fade. Mm-hmm.